What's up, guys? It's Yoshi. If you guys saw my last video, I made lather with a sock. Yeah, a sock. Anyway, if you want to check that out, check out the last video before this. Today I'm just gonna get a nice shave with this lather that I just made from a sock. Let's get it started. Get my face wet a little bit. Fresh new blade here. Pro Guards. I only use this. I don't use any other blades really. It's the safest and sharpest. The regular feathers with no guards are dangerously sharp. I don't mind using them, but man, you slip up on those, it's a bloodbath. Anyway, let me freshen up this lather a little bit. Sock. And then grab it, squeeze out some lather. Boom. Got some nice soft lather. Still pretty thick. More lather. There we go. Usually start with my sideburns. I aim for this little thing on my ear. Obviously the textbooks tell you to go with the grain at first. I think you have depends on your skin quality, but I know some people that just go against the grain from the get-go, and they still get a fine shave, and their skin doesn't get messed up by it. And me too. Some parts, if this is a super sharp blade, so some parts I'll just go against the grain from the get-go, right here. I got a lot of comments from the last video about my shaving angle. I've played with it. I've played with different angles, shaving angles, but I kind of settled where I am now. I feel like I get the closest shave this way. So the comments were that my shaving angle was really steep. But I think it's a matter of risk reward, right? Like I'm risking possibly I'm risking possibly cutting myself if I go too steep. I just ran out of lather, so I'm gonna make another batch out of the sock. Another quick batch of lather. Squeeze it out. Good lather. Got a little bit more on my beard. Gonna save some back on the sock here. I don't know if you noticed, but I switch hands. I'm using this lefty now. I'm a righty, but some angles are just easier to do lefty for me. Right. Here's my first pass. I think I cut myself a few times here. I could feel it. So let's get my second pass in before this lather goes bad. Pretty thick stuff here. All right. I guess I could use a brush, but just for the sake of the sock lather technique, I didn't use a brush. There you go. So these are I'm gonna go against the grain. This side already went against the grain, so it's already pretty close. Get my sideburns, pull my skin down. This side, I switched to lefty. Hold my skin down. Some of these parts of my face that have no hair, you can still run a razor through it. Helps you exfoliate your skin. Not that I'm really conscious about what my skin is doing. Maybe I should be, but I'm not. Get a little bit more lather. Oh, sorry, I bumped the camera. So under the beard is probably, under the nose is probably the most, the place where everybody cuts themselves. I'm no different. My worst cutting accidents are under the nose. But if you keep a light touch, you should be okay. And a sharp blade. If you don't have a sharp blade, you're dead. You're going to end up bleeding all over the place. Other side. I'm gonna switch hands for this too. Oh, I almost cut myself. It's pretty good second pass. Get my face off. So, last pass. I don't use any soap. Just go around feeling with my hand if there's anything. Stretch out my skin. Some stuff, still some stuff in there. Not much. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's still hair left. It's not much, but you know, if you enjoy shaving, you're gonna go after every little hair that you could possibly find. You notice I'm lefty again? It's pretty good. Under the nose, it's pretty good. And this little, what are these called? This soul patch area. I made one side, this side's a little higher than this, so I'm gonna adjust. It's probably a little closer now. You gotta be careful with these. If you mess them up and you start adjusting, like you end up like shaving it all the way up. Keep going up. Okay. Rinse off. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let me see if I can get you aftershave. You know, I like this Japanese band called Gatsby. Whew. That always feels good. Get another one. All right, guys, so that was shaving with lather I made out of a sock. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down here. I like doing this. Let me know in the comments down here what you guys think. Or, you know, if you have any ideas of stuff you want me to try, let me know. Cool. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.